a dork. See, it's raining. You can't tell, it's raining. It was really sunny out earlier. Oh, yeah, and it's still, oh my god.
Wow.
And it's still 4/2. It's still April 2nd. But it's raining. It's raining.
It's raining party!
See, we got really weird ideas. Oh my god. It's so raining. Oh. And I just ruined my camera.
It's raining party!
She got no shoes on. Oh my god, it's just lightning out, I think. My camera's getting all wet. You're cool. What? It's a rain party. It's raining and it's cold and I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts and flip-flops and pink. It's not very cool. It's cold. Very cold. Hi. Well, we still need ideas for other videos, so help us with that. Yeah, she says down in the comment bar, please.
Ready? Hello!
Ew, my camera's probably gonna break. It's cold. Let's go for another walk.
What do you think we're doing?
Oh yeah.
We should go find Billy.
Yeah, let's go get Billy. Yeah, we named a snake Billy. If you haven't seen from our video
Billy?
before this one.
Called
Yeah,
Billy?
Billy is Billy. After it was the second, it's like the second download video we've downloaded onto my channel. So this video can't be over 10 minutes. I found that out.
Yeah, we did a first video, and it was like 11 minutes and like something seconds, and it wasn't
Random hyperness, but it don't go anymore. Yeah, and if you can't tell, I'm not wearing my glasses because like they got all full of rain, and I don't like it when they're full of rain.
I could have wore mine. My glasses.
That's Casey's old house.
I miss that old house.
Now she lives down there, just 3 doors down.
3.
3. Uno, dos, tres.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
Dulce.
11, 12, 13. I still have that packet from Flex. Casey! She's a dork. Wow. Yeah, first puddle. It smells like rotten wood down here. Oh, and if you can't tell, I'm like blind without my glasses.
Hey, it's a puddle.
Yeah, it's a puddle. Wow. I'm gonna put my glasses on. So I can grab them.
I'm in trouble. I'm an addict. I'm addicted. Got my heart now. And my stomach in a whirl.
She's a dork. But I love her. She's my sissy. Going les on me now, are you?
Oh, whatever.
Ooh.
Whatever. Just get
My
away.
hair smells pretty. Oh yeah, look at this.
Mustache.
Oh yeah. I didn't brush my teeth today. I forgot to. Okay, well, this is like a random rain party.
Yes, we're not the only ones out.
Yeah, we're not the only ones that see. Yeah,
He's
see.
playing basketball.
See, he's playing basketball.
I think we should put the video away. Your camera's gonna get all ruined.
It's 4 minutes, 43 seconds. Well,
Yeah, your camera's gonna get all ruined.
I'm we gonna go before my camera gets broken in. Yeah, he's in Lincoln. He goes to Lincoln. We're gonna go.
Bye.
My camera's gonna break.
Bye.
Bye.